So my people, me have a live to share with you know. And boy, me I tell you know, the live you get out of hand people, be things go on upon the live yeah. So the Shauna chin, an Italian thing, Blinga them talk about it. And Shauna chin come this morning and talk about it. And this up Bling and Tik Tok police and all these things. So Bling and our followers them also cheese get involved people a one bag of pasa or something. You see me? So we are gonna click on and watch it and hear what I go on. I first me ever see Bling get out so you see me? So make we hear what I go on my people. Channel star why? I don't know if you say on that one, people.
You can work up your team. And you're not give me your dirty blood clot. You think say you Shauna, you're done, you're dead, you're rev out. You think you can work? You should have buried with Gully Bob. You don't serve no purpose for you, so you come talk about where I bring down people. JUDGEM3NT, you bring down yourself long time. You are dancehall matches. Every blood clot man cuss you, fuck you, dump you, run you. You just hurt. My friend, my boss, make him friend them, fuck you out. And watch every mama blood clots. I will have the video dirty JUDGEM3NT. We'll have the video shit pit. Because me now make no catch no blood clot cocky in my bumbo clot mouth. You're crazy. Guys, me just a fire shot for them fire back and then me carry go over blood clot telegram and post the things them over there. I gonna see what me a talk about. Them the dog shit they no fi have no talk on TikTok. I come class. Them the shit out stuff in class. Nobody
talk about show approve and show approve. Man no need to come for me to come show and approve. Look here, me no Italian boss and me can stand firm on that. Because when I leave a passage for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Batman, me pass through. And a 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 Batman, me help with them AIDS. A whole heap of Batty boy dead last year from AIDS, so it's a miracle. Oh, Italian boss still living.
Police on a blood clot problem. I mean, now stop cheering. That's how I tell police more time. Bill. Ease yourself and Bill, because them can't come from them if come for you. Move your dirty body, fuck out blood clot and go.
But Shauna did only take they would go back forgetting things. So when you check a stock, Shauna and Italian banner opportunists.
No, you want one. The two of them get together and feel like say them did not go break the blood clot internet. Like them as somebody. Them feel like they're gonna break the internet and them flop now make the money. That a gift that the one day cost for him can't go back on the podium. You're not go back on the kind of people them non-blood clot put up the me beauty Bling said that. You not go back on that. You better blood clot leave me then maybe my boss will send you 5 million kind. Like when I walk and send people on blood clot for them. Go suck your mother Italian. Go suck out your big pussy mother. And your mama supposed to eat every blood clot thing boy yo. She's supposed to eat 9 and 10 your dirty worthless blood clot to pick up a dog shit like Shauna Chin. Come suck out the batty wall. Come suck out the batty wall. JUDGEM3NT. When a crow be at a company yourself come go like when somebody. I will run this blood clot. Suck your mother. Suck your mother. The whole I know we're burying. We're burying one blood clot I know. Shauna, we resurrect you with a court case the other day. Big pussy girl, done out girl, rev out girl. And we resurrect your dirty blood clot. Cause you're stagnant pandit. And we'll send you back go stagnant around here. Suck your mother. You can't click no life for Miss Bling. You crazy? You can't click no life for Miss Bling. I'm gonna show you the next blood clot life where you click. You're not getting a clout, so if you even get a clout today, it blood clot done today.
Yo, at the first me ever see Bling this angry people. Believe me. Channel star. It look like said go with Shauna Chin go live and a this up she and the youth name Tik Tok police. You get to her, cause first me ever see her like this. You see me? And boy, me I tell her, yo, me just hope so them keep it on the internet. And this youth, you know, I say Italian, a fish and all these things, yo. Me just have to say this to Italian, cause when him did a link up with Shauna Chin, she did don't tell him say yo, me have a pass and people are gonna say this and say that. So you can manage it, sir. And him say him no business about that. So all them thing yeah, and some receipt where RT boss say him have and Blinga Cryy and now figure post it over Telegram. Him fi know say yo, yeah, me could watch some more yeah man, cause John you have to know what you do yeah man in a life. Is it because if a woman tell us say yo me have whole heap of things where people talk about me, you know, and you hear things, if you make up your mind to stick with her, you're not supposed to leave her when anything at all come out about her. And when the pressure get too much for you, you don't accept say you're gonna stick beside her. So stay, you know what I mean? But you know. Cause Italian I say boy more cut because you know what I mean, people now give him and
I
do
want the
something.
one with just come on for a little vision.
Listen, your problem is it no can up, team up, say yes, we're not gonna do this for the app. Here you already, you know. For sure you're not used to anything. Here you already. Oh, cause Shauna introduced me to a lot of big people. Shauna show me certain things be on the lower be. Shauna did. When RT did come and attack, you did over here sit down and you did shame. You couldn't even blood clot and a request and come up because you did shame. You understand? Italian, listen, you picked the wrong fucking day. And you know what? I'm glad you can't sit down backside of me. I'm glad you can't sit down backside of me. Shauna go suck her big pussy mama. You understand? Hey, blood clot girl, you come for me. You can't come for blood clot me. I mean blood clot tell RT to make him and them fuck you. Your earth come a boss, no fuck you.
Ferrets and pork. One money gun get.
That's why you hurt. Because the boss see you skin out the pussy get the boss and the boss no look. Cause you dance style matches big pussy girl. But suck your mother, Shauna. You know how long you want blood clot argue with me? You think today you want this big pussy girl? I'm not gonna show you say you're dead. I'm not gonna show you say you can't resurrect back. You can't come to Blinga Exp0Se Dem come class girl and tell like pan girl and feel like you're gonna make it anyway boy ya. Damn, you never did have a blood clot career. Cause dead on arrival. I just y'all look for your next victim. That's why y'all look for. So right now, me need to tell Pastor Comedy say, don't blood clot pick you up if you're in MDM. Don't pick you up if you're in there. Italian, you condemn. You curse. You need a bath. You need you need a wash off. That one pussy there. That one pussy there, Italian. Fuck up your whole blood clot life. You better go make your mama go down on her knee and pray for your nasty blood clot. Who gets put out on the app? Who comes at Taps and Roses, catch speed my side? And blood clot can't afford a night at a hotel. Who does that?
Cats out the bag.
Who does that? Eh? Only things that my boss walk and fuck any blood clot thing. My boss not fuck waste girl. My boss send him friend them to go dig out your blood clot throat and dig out your belly. Nasty girl. You just hurt about that. Because the man come by and attack. Him come by and talk any blood clot time. When I come talk about me, I add people to my platform for bring down people. Or we bring down people. When I them come by so we for them problem. Or are we bringing down people? And she's why him a cuss because at the Maka situation. He loves Maka and because of what she said on your live, he making you stories about him. He was
who is he? Who is he?
Listen.
Who is he, Blinga?
Italian.
Boy, me I telling no people. You know, Italian, me G, you should have known say yo, this thing here, you know what I mean, did I go get bad? You know, a level where you know say people you would have said no like Shauna Chin. You so me I say you know about her past with Gully Bop. You know say people I say she sleep with every artist. You know what I mean? You know a bunch of things. You understand? So whatever comes your way right now, you did know say she do this and do that. You know what I mean? You never know everything, but you know the you hear a lot of rumors and something. And you still say, yo, you're gonna stick by our side and go public with the relationship. So now you know fear run. And me no know why now, like Shauna Chin decides say she want to take a break from you. Now she a go left you by yourself to face all of this drama or something. You see me I say, me always hear that saying, yeah, you spread your bed so you have to go lay down in it. In a life you go have ups and downs, my G. You know what I mean? But when life give you lemon, them say you have to make lemonade. Me just hope so you can, you know what I mean, overcome this. You see me? Because a whole heap of things are coming your way right now, energy. Me not lie. And him forget put out and want money for stay at hotel. Italian have him own place. No upstairs house Italian say him living at. I rent him, did I rent that? Wanna tell me in the comment section. Because me always hear Italian I say, yo, him have a big house and him live there by himself. You see me? So how the hotel part come in? You know just drive go back to your yard because you have a vehicle for yourself. Why people, me don't know if this is a publicity stunt with Shauna China Italian or a real life situation. Me don't know people, big man thing. And then Shauna Chin fear tell the man say she want a break when him sacrifice himself for you. Him know the backlash where him would get. And him, boy, me don't know still. Because Italian come and say him want a break from the relationship. Then me a hear shot. I want people them confusing bad. This look like it's a stunt. More to tell me in the comment section.
Italian have something to say about me?
Listen, right now,
no people want to get this straight because that lady Italian, they really and truly, she did never. What she do?
What Miss Blinga?
Yeah.
What the girl Italian do?
Italian battle will go twep for man. So why Shauna sit down and hug it up?
Blood clot this.
Because Shauna fuck Batty.
So why Shauna come by me?
Shauna you call Candy up here, so.
It seems as if Batman and fuck her.
Listen.
Maka, you can't get Maka pay me for. Hey, I want to know. Hey,
we don't even care.
Straight, you know.
Candy, may I tell you the truth, Candy? It's not. Okay. It's not what? It's not.
$300 people pay me for custom.
That's a different story.
$300.
Candy, listen to me. Everybody know me not discriminate because me own a whole Batty community. The problem is, una blood clot gay and come over here say come act straight I want bring down gay people. When uno self a take with like dog. Shauna take with what else take me. Shauna me ask Christ, you can't make it on the blood clot up. Me not ask you. You can't make it on the up if you come to me girl because me not do blood clot bring down. Everything we go on the up a story what me see, what me talk about. You come on my courthouse and we give the little blood clot hype and you sit down, you're your big pussy dirty man, but a Tik Tok police, I don't know. That's why you see Tik Tok police, every time I tell us a bill brother, blood clot, bill brother.
Ferris and pork.
Them can't come to me and you them come for me tell us a bill if you just listen to me brother and bill and ease yourself. None of uno. You are Italian. Shauna, let me tell you this. I'm going to tell you before. Me say if him ever tell me say it hurt him. Bitch, me I tell you this straight. I swear, me I tell you this for everything what I love. You're gonna have to speak to me. You're gonna have to speak to me. I don't send check to people and I don't check the people and I don't do nothing. Me compare come kick every blood clot there. When I feel like say everybody eat girl. When me tell you this, Shauna, you have to go back up in your big pussy mother. Roll up back up in your nasty mother and reborn again. You Italian, hear what you need to do now. Me done with blood clot. You don't even try send no much to me, brother. Because you see what I do, me not like it. Me not like it. Me come here and sit down and accept the whole of no match and blood clot talk and make no rub me out and me do so now. But no, you don't even say make you link me and say Blinga, Ray, you have a problem with who me add to my platform. I wanna build it. I wanna build it. You can tell me who add. Eh?
But Italian brighty stinking mouth dirty boy when him call for all different type of manner of things. Where you have a problem with me if you hear me as somebody beefing for. What does have to do with you? The nana dirty life where you live. Tell people them how much you hide the real color. You can come out of the blood.
So Italian have a problem with cheese over the macadamia situation. Why people so much things are going on the media to harass me can't even keep up. So how Italian get involved in that? Me never see like Italian. Me not even ever see Italian or macadamia play a match yet. Maybe a something else. People, you see the social media thing here. You see enough of them people here wanna see cuss more while I plan for cuss, you know, off of the internet, you know. You see me I say enough of them plan for cuss with them one another and come and just create a stamp on the internet. Me feel like I saw it go people. You know what I mean? And you see enough of them a group up and I chat to each other. Enough of the time them group up for even bring down our individuals and them not like them one another, you know. Me I tell you that, you know, big man thing, you know. You see them a group up, especially them, you see them come and Blinga live and them this and them that. Sometimes them not like one another same way but true because them have one common person where them not like, them group up, bring down that person there. But deep down them don't like each other neither. You see me I say? So now watch them now for the time you soon see them tear against each other. You know what I mean? I mean like how them just a press a Shauna chin and Italian so wicked. You know what I mean? Bling and Shauna chin have them gripe. You know what I mean? Me not talk cheese still because you go see some whole heap of other people get add to the live and them a bring down this and that. You know what I mean? Why? Italian should I know say this was coming. But me I wonder how Italian and cheese in a vibe because me never even see Italian a play with macadamia and yet that more I find out. Don't tell me in the comment section people. Jaja.
Long time. Him come
Italian. Italian. Italian, come out of the closet.
Him come out of the closet long time.
Him don't come out of the closet because if he come out of the closet, I'm going to share about him blood clot sexuality.
But look on Shauna.
Don't call my name, boy.
Shauna get fucked long time, you know. From Shauna deny the man will buy her her first tights for go on for be seen, you know. She get fucked, you know. You understand? Because the ungratefulness is a hell of a thing. Yes, ungratefulness.
When you're lucky the day in the inbox and DM and you're lucky at talk about the things them, nobody did bring you down. Nobody did bring your name. So why no true Shauna chin come in your life?
Feel like him win the lotto with a big dirty soul.
Light shine for you. You come and make it look like don't call my name because me not forget nothing. Oh. Try no, I will drag your 4 step back in your past, Mr. Ross.
You need no dragging cheese, the boy a batty blood clot boy.
Now ramp with me. If you fucking forget about it, I will remind you.
All him talk about is, oh, the Tik Tok police are follow him and live in a shadow. Move your blood clot, police batty wall a virgin. Go suck your mother. Shauna have dildo fuck you. And we can prove that because guess what? Candy up atop your so. So Shauna call him to come fuck she in her body.
Cute.
Candy, tell people them what just a come.
Cute. Them know.
Mean yes, guys.
Cute. Them know. So upon live where they are chatting and sharing down my phone, so should they have blood clot, more lines and fix car when we come.
So this is when him there with the next batty boy Italian, yeah? Right now a batty blood clot boy Italian name. Your shit house, You can't win me. Italian, you can't win me. Shauna, you can't win me. Dollar can't win me. Me, I tell the people them right now, say, una nasty.
It's unusual to me because I never yet fuck a woman in them body, so that weird to me, I'm afraid. And when me remember Gully Bop, the whole of my body black.
Yeah. Can you eat you?
What you mean if this?
Yeah, then the truth, me never yet do that to a woman.
This all bring
I seen when me and her kick off now, me I said, Jesus Christ, me sorry, me never fuck out her body whole of video.
My sorry,
Jesus Christ, God Almighty.
You can't come for girl. You can't come to
God of Daniel.
come for money, have to come correct and come good and come with facts.
Me, that's a Mr. Baba people. Because you see all them so here. Jesus Christ. Jesus.
Wicked girl, what you say?
But
Sky Diamond.
keep on blood clot.
People, can they a storyteller still, you know? You see me no know still, cause boy, me no know if he say. If I truth him attack, because you can come on the big media like this and on this a platform where how much people are watch it. You know what I mean? You come and say that and I'm not true. That means that there's some truth to what I must say. You understand me? And this are the candy where the youth named 6K TV did I go up against for the in the ranking. You see me, for the #1 spot. So Shauna China call him if he can deal with our case. Or maybe she just see that call him for par with him. He have to be more in depth with that and specific. You know what I mean? Because he say she did a call him. Say she a fix her car. So he have to tell we say, yes, she did a call him for do whatever. You know what I mean? Well, you have to be careful with that. And even Italians still, you know. Him should have known say him sign up for all of this, you know. Because the internet don't know like Shauna Chin and them don't say what them say about Shauna Chin. And him say okay, I go public with her, him love her, whatever. Him for know say him sign up for all of what come towards him. And people, you have enough of them woman here, you know. Me not talk, me not like pick out Shauna Chin or Italian still, you know, but me just attack in a general. You have enough of them woman here, you know. Where them a top freak, you know. You see me? Big top freak, you know. And them we there with a look man certain way. And them man they maybe not experience certain things. Them care them go shoes them, clothes them, care them out and nice them up. And take time and freak them out, you know. You see me if you have something over them. So me a pray and I say one day if, you know what I mean, Italian get free court, you know what I mean? Me just say that. That's just my opinion still. Me I wonder. You see it. Boy people, me don't know. Me quote some more, yeah man.
Come on the phone, them come talk about.
We need to bring her down. The live where she had talked about me did over here. We need to bring her down. You need to bring her down, Blinga. But you need to bring her down.
Bring down who?
You need to bring down Shauna Chin.
Shauna dead rat, Shauna shithouse, Shauna take all dog and puss. Shauna ya dog.
At the time she saying
we need to bring her down for true. Remember me did over here. You need to bring her down.
Listen, I fuck with her. Let me tell you why the girl begs. The girl begs cause my boss no fuck him. When the girl skin out her pussy give my boss. RT boss. What me talk? When Shauna skin out her pussy give RT boss.
The tongue a drop out, hang down. Like liver.
What you do, my girl? RT send him dog, them when him have run him, say, go fuck that. And the whole of them go in the room and go fuck that. She so cocky till she wake that day there. She get fucked till she found that day there. One blood clot, boss, go suck your mother. And you call RT company life, come talk. RT feed you, go suck out your mother. And your man get on the live when RT attack and you can't do the about blood clot that. That's why we will forever say blood clot, bossy. Suck your mother.
What? Bloody hell.
Go suck your mother. RT no know my pussy stay because a genuine blood clot love this. I go on here so. I him for cuss me, I him for run me, I him for class blood clot me.
Me just don't want do call me blood clot name.
But she already called your name and say she did live and play with live over there. She did play the live over there and say every argument you buy
You see, all I know where support Shauna blood clotting. Me no want to know back over here so. Because no found no over here so no come from. As a woman, wanna need for do. I tell her to try go find her way because God fall rain upon everybody else stop and there is hope for repentance. There is hope for coming back. You understand? Move on a little dirty nasty self. Move your nasty self, your nasty girl. Italian in your head you think you win the lotto. And the next thing. Have which money? Have which money? Eh?
You must have our money, man. You must see she rich.
It's a sub-blood vibe. I'm going to tell you now next thing, people.
Shabba Benz.
Italian, Shauna Chin do not want you. You don't have nothing to give her. She was with you for the clothes. Because you had a little bit of clout. No, you don't have none. I'm going to ask you. I'm going to ask you. I never come here to come look no clothes from no pussy. I come here to work my blood clot. We a long time, mommy. I'm from Instagram, mommy.
General style.
Me never come and say come look the clout from none of blood clots, you know. Cause on my courthouse make enough people know blood clot, you know. On my courthouse resurrect blood clot, you know. And feel like someone come style, girl. You're crazy. Me there keep my little case them. Me keep my case for everybody. You understand? But you're wrong.
Blinga, but too bad you did say a prank and you ain't bring down nobody. Me not get it.
I mean, she act for. Yeah, why she act for me? Me I tell her now. My boss. My blood clot boss. Ear out her clot.
Thank you, darling.
So my boss, ear her out on the live. I remember, you know, enough time when RT come here and attack, you know.
That's supposed to be on each other.
See me, yeah? Jesus. I don't say no. Every day RT tell me, say, bring your hypocrite.
So, it look like say the talk with RT boss come talk about Shauna Chin from Blinga Live. That make Shauna Chin kinda have a little thing against Blinga. You see me? And Blinga if you know say our platform now gonna make sure have a whole heap of friends. You see me I say? Because our platform hear out things where people don't want the public to know. You know what I mean? So you have to just know say you have less friends. And that's how it thing go. Because people are going to have an issue no matter how no matter how you not really involved in the bring down. You just talk about what you see and allow other people to come up and talk. That no means that people not going to have things against you. You see me I say? And RT boss, him also talk why him really, you know what I mean, bring down Shauna Chin. So now I go hear that too. You see me I say, boy people, make go watch some more cause Italian still in a film case, so me have to say, dog you have to know what you do, yeah, man. Sometimes some things come in your life and you feel like the greatest thing because you get a feeling what you never get before and you trust people and them weird but you don't know what them motive. You see me? Cause Blinga say Shauna Chin going to Italian life because of clout. More know wanna think about that. If you don't feel like say boy a clout going at the dog life and she see say the money now come in so she wanna get rid of him whatever. Me no wanna think yeah man because me no know if you say. Me think say Shauna Chin rate him still. That me feel. Me really feel like say yo, you know what I mean? But you know what I mean? Woman can put on a show. So me I say, why? What some more people?
Me can't say anything. You understand? When the boss attack, I saw me sit down. Jesus, me I'll find water for drink. Sometimes I get up. You're out of order. People, she just vex. She just upset because she rev out and done out. And the next man will pick up this blood clot girl life. No one no life done her over and condemn. Go fuck Shauna!
You want bad.
You want to life condemn. Go fuck blood clot.
Remember, you can't do that. You have to the fucking life, madman.
Oh God!
A police are them blood clot problem. And the kill it, me nah stop cheer for the kill it. Me nah drop him. And we say TikTok police. Whether him a come from the ground or him a come from Yamfield or wherever. And we say police go suck on a mother. I would strip naked, you know.
Not panty.
Hey, your real body still aware, you know. Hey, your real body still aware. I was stripped naked. Cause real body still aware. If me skin out my bumbucklad pussy, man want fuck me first. Because what? Bling down a file. Oh. Because when them member, maybe them body cable stand up. Italian a idiot and him hungry for fame and hype. Remember him tell C&Lee last night say, when Brit hear him like some blood clad clown. Cause when Brittany had me got my first hype. I got my first 10,000 followers. Listen to Gladys Knight and the pimp. Who the fuck is Britannia? Britannia God?
Britannia a big deal, Bling. Come on, Britannia a big deal, especially back in them time there. Don't play Britannia. You know what I mean? Fame. Britannia was a big deal. You know what I mean? Thousands of people just sit down on Britannia live and I watch her. She did big.
And people on TikTok are God, a phone of God. Them enough for me, God. Come here, go tell you right now, Italian. Listen to me. People to type some name for me. You will never be World Dog. You will never be Roger. You will never be Swiss Lee. People to type some top TikToker for me, please. Let me call out them. You will never be Ivani. You will never be TJ. You will never be Otto. You will never be Quiet Perry. You will never be Cian Lee. You will never be Maya. You will never be Abel. You will never be Jabas. Go suck your mother. You're condemned now. You're dead. I'll blood clot that it in here with him talking don't have a fixed address. You will never be. Italian, you're done for. You're done for. You fuck Shauna. You're done. Call RT boss. Call RT boss. Italian. Call RT boss. Make RT boss take off his speller for you.
Add RT boss.
Italian, you salt. You salt. You salt. I'm sorry for you, Italian, because you salt. You fuck the dirty girl. You fuck the hell. You fuck the Satan. You fuck the judgment, Italian. I'm sorry for you. If me that your mother me kill me bumbo clad self. Look where you got take up. Out of everything, look where you got take up. All because you think you win the lotto. Italian, you're done for. You're done. Italian, I'm sorry for you.
Blood, no, I'm to Bling.
Secret. You go on, buddy, no Blinga.
Cheese them wrong. Cheese them wrong. Them send me live cheese and make me player. And them know say them dumb blood clot rate me. Me not like it cheese. Me can't take it. That's why me call as a customer and tell them lift blood clot up. You understand? Them wrong for this. Italian, you're wrong for this.
Italian gone back home, people.
You're wrong, Italian. Me ain't no live, so you're wrong for blood clot this. When the man come on the live and attack, me never know what the man go say. And the man come on the live and attack, yeah boy, my blood clot wish the best. Yeah boy, me want to win. You understand what I say? Me want to see you win. Me want to see you win and you can't blood clot win again. Look where you go take up. You condemn.
Me blood clot, Bling, like that.
All because of clout. All because of clout. Italian, you can't go back on the podium. You can't go back on the podium. Call RT boss. Make him take off his pillar for blood clot you. Because Shauna Chin fix your blood clot. She'll look for your next victim, Italian. Is our next victim she'll look for. TikTok police, let me tell you this. I'm going to tell you this one last time. Anybody call you. Me no care who. Anybody call your phone. Don't go. Don't go.
People, Italian gone home. I'm on Shauna Chin, me sip on live right now. So me I say him gone back in my yard. Say look like say this was a stunt. Or him just getting him feelings and gone back to him woman. Someone want to tell me what you think. You see me? Tell me what you think, people. That are gone back home to Shauna Chin.
Because them would put Obi upon you. If you did a my son, I go up and fasting a whole month for blood clot you. Italian, you're done. You're done for as a little boy. Who gives up their apartment to go live with a whore? You know that's a walking cemetery. How you feel when you bend down and I lick out the pussy there? And we know you have to lick out the pussy there. We know you have to lick out the body there. Italian, we know you have to do this. I don't like this. I don't like it. Don't fuck yourself with me, Italian. Don't fuck yourself. Come back over here and send me any more games, any more match. And you, Shauna Chin, me go show you say, you're Obiaman, no better than my blood clot, Obiaman. You, me go show you that. You can't do me nothing. Let's see, because guess what? I'm the queen of this app. And when I'm done, I'm going to be the queen of YouTube. And when I'm done, I'm going to be the queen of Facebook. Remember me blood clot telling you this. Today, what day today is?
Today is the 26th.
Wrong with that.
Remember me telling you, the 26th of this month. I'm telling you now. One bomber clot queen of TikTok. Soon to be queen of YouTube. You understand? Sometimes you see, what I don't understand is, when you see RT boss no mean nobody. Nobody. Him is just a stunt man. Him is just a comedian when him ready. And him is just, him is just how him is. And you don't have to take on the time for learn him. You don't have to take on the time after you learn him, don't have to accept him. Every day that man a push me. And I may have to say, Lord, boss, me tired, me can't do this, me can't this. Boss, me this, me that, I be an excuse. Him put so tired of blood clots me now. You see? Cheese. Man, I know how to put this. Sometime, when you go and fuck crosses, some crosses, girl, and some crosses, man, the energy what you get from that,
That are facts.
it mash up your whole life. Right now, that little boy, I mean, I ask you, it a go hard. It a go hard for him, Evo. It's just going to be hard for him.
So come at the Blinga, I'm not cut you. I prank him, did I prank last night?
I thought it was a prank, but it was not no prank, it was real.
So what caused all of this now today?
Because Ray Company, let me tell you now, people, listen to this. Listen to this. Me tell you something, I bury your blood clot. You see that voice note here? It a go stay upon your bumbo clot. You know, have the up. All you can tell me about a TikTok police and a one bumbo clot police, Mrs. Street. Red cross the board. One police.
Bap. One police in the blood.
You see, like, you know, them say the sins are the parents are going to fall upon the child. You see, because people are like Shauna Chin, Italian are going to get the same hate, you know what I mean? So you have to go deal with that. So you have to go get a big fight too. And Shauna Chin have whole heap of enemy. And I saw Italian are going to inherit them enemies there too. So it's a hard fight for him. But, you know what I mean? He have to just fight it through. Him and him woman stick together and just fight it through. That's all I can say.
Your mother, nobody can call for the killing him. Suck on the mother. Oh, hear me say. See it here.
Look here, Miss Blinga. Italian boss can come for you and sit down at the night, say him straight when him know him not straight. Kind of straight. A long time, you know Italian boss. I live a passage for it. I live a passage for it a long time. You have a batty yard in a passage for it. What Shemar doing and the boy them used to live. Then the batty boy the dead from maids and gone. In the last year, then the batty boy the dead. And Shemar and Dwayne and Italian boss do one threesome.
Murder to blood.
I try them test positive for AIDS.
Stop the vice
So when
note.
come on social media, come talk
Pause it, Blinga.
about that Italian boss straight. Italian boss is not straight. Italian boss only there with the girl for sham. And we meet her. Yeah, man, he's an opportunist.
A blood clot trueness.
And when them a come, who say about the pan live and talk about his Sue and this, them have to come good to me. Them have to come good.
Ferris and pork, one and a half.
People. I say, I'm sorry the day Shemar and Dwayne dead. But as I say, Blinga, them can't come for you because the truth is the truth and that is blood clot it. Dwayne, you see when they had the threesome, Dwayne say in batty will and scratch him.
Jesus Christ, you could tell.
So me, I don't want to say, everybody talking. I can't send a screenshot in my phone. The man up on the phone, tell me. Me can send screenshot. I can send a screenshot on my phone. The people that text me ask me say if me and Mother Teresa and oh my love help people. So I know my love take up people problems for my head. But long of the story short. Me say to them say, oh you need to go get tested because Dwayne was my friend. Dwayne was my friend.
The phone start out now come. What's the phone?
May I send the voice up on the phone?
Sorry.
Dwayne was my friend.
Now come back.
And there's nothing where Dwayne not hide from me. So Dwayne come straight forward and tell me, say, Javi, this go down. And I say, all right, they want to go at AHF and up and Agri Park Road so. And they did went to AHF. And all three of them test positive for AIDS. Dwayne and Shemar did all here in the last year down a Spanish Town Hospital. I may have all proof of that in the discussion.
You have to go blood clot. You have to go clear up this pussy hole. Everybody will have to go clear up this.
You realize him can't come for me?
Him have to do the test.
You realize him can't come for me?
Him have to do the test.
Come for me. Him have to
do the test.
That's why when the people in the comment section I come talk about last night say how much me have it. I say I can't prick my finger up on the live and show no.
Yeah, but him have it.
People trying to star like what thing they did say what you do, you should have never do it. You see me? I don't know if I feel believe what that person you say or not. Italian say I go do a test. See him on him live and him say I go do a test and him I go make it public for everybody see. You see me? So I don't know if him address the situation or the accusation. Say him have the threesome with the two next fish we drop out. You know what I mean? I don't know if him address it on him live, but me hear him did I say him I go do a test because people are saying him have it. You know what I mean? And I feel like the people them I go after Italian because him there with Shauna Chin. People just don't like Shauna Chin and them just a go after him because cause him end up a defend her. It's what me I say. Boy, me I tell people, I think I'm go come on the live also. But me don't know if it long still in people. I mean, I don't want to stretch out the video too long. You know what I mean? So I could just go and watch somewhere.
Come out on social media, come post out the results.
Him have to do the test and come post the result. This is war.
Somebody talk about how much say me come and give out Ministry of Health information. But not give out Ministry of Health information. But talk it as it is.
Fried rice and pork, one and hat.
The same as them come from up at AHF, them come at the yard, them open the gate, and them show me the paper, and all three blood clot them test positive. Them can't give it me. You fuck my friend on the bottom and scratch him, and me know that is not yeast infection, because I'm not pussy.
But me shouldn't even over here so called that the slut dog the name neither, because guess what? My friend up here, so Candy, who is from the LGBT community, just said that dirty slut dog girl over there, so where Italian give little tiny clothes, where she think she give Italian clothes, you know. She think she give Italian clothes. Remember you never hear such struggle nasty girl. Remember, we do the court case girl like a hype. Then Italian girl like a bit of clothes. That you take with the Italian clothes right there, so. Then you, my friend up here, so people, Candy up here, so up top here, so. She very entertaining, and follow her. Candy, she say, she say, oh, the girl call him the other day for come fuck out her body wall. How go? Make it make sense.
There is some pork.
Cute. Up our live, we have all the conversations until number drop. Everything me send to give my moderator.
Cute.
Just unusual, because I never do that yet. To a woman. Cute.
Shauna now fuck Italian boss and I'm batty with
You see all who in my comment section and I come talk about say me bad mind. None of them can call bad mind from them, because Shauna Chin have no one I want. Italian don't have no one I want. None of them have no one I want. Me live in me don't live in a third world country. Number one. Number two, me skin out my pussy and me breed 4 times. Me can't hungry. And number next 3, me set myself in a way that if God take me a morning, my kids them alright and fine. My husband now for pick up collection for bury me. You understand?
Really?
Of 500,000. 500,000 one of my life insurance. Anybody who have people in the army know that that's true. We not go suck no matter come off of my name. Suck no matter come off of my name. Thanks to but sometimes I have to make a girl know what time it is, because I don't bring down people, girl. Them come here so with them story on the media, I'ma review it. But what hurt the big pussy dirty slut dog girl is because my boss now run out for my life the other day and say, you know, say, Shauna skin out the pussy. Feed Shauna, I need this, I need that, I'm buy Shauna this, but it's and every fucking thing that RT say is truth. Shauna can't go for RT because RT full of receipt. So she have to come, and for me, a long time the girl want to attack me. But she never know how. So now, you know what she gonna say? She gonna make it look like say we make she an Italian left. You little drunk crow. You never want the blood clot boy. You don't want the little clout off for the boy.
People, me feel like say some publicity stunt are go on. That me feel like, you see it. Me not feel like say them did left for true. Although you hear me say them, me show a thing look a while live a while ago. Say Italian gone back. I'm Shauna Chin yard. So them back together now. So everything just bust out and on the left yesterday and today on the back. Uno come on, it look like so now. You see, one of the worst things still, my people, are when you try a stunt and it don't work and people find out the stunt, you know. Me not really say it's a publicity stunt, you know what I mean? Like, me know say it's a publicity stunt. Me just, in my opinion, me not like how it look that weird. It can be real life still, because man and woman can break up even 1 hour after them together again. You know what I mean? So it's not impossible for them break up yesterday and back together today, because the pressure where Italian I get, you know what I mean, and the pressure where Shauna Chin I get, that the time them need each other the most. You see me? So that would drive them closer, you know what I mean, and get them back for go back together. You know what I mean? Because I where the two of them I go through at the time. You know what I mean? So it's not impossible. But what I say still, you know what I mean? In these social media time, people know how to use the media. You understand? So them create some things more while just to drive traffic to them. So me don't know if that them do or a real thing them I go through. You see me I say? So make watch some more.
It's like you brainwash the youth. In a way where already the youth are cuss cheese here the man. Oh, when I come on for my woman, bad to bad my woman, show me, be a nice things, make me meet some people, carry me some places, my woman show me a better life. Which better blood clot life your woman show you? Which? Where? What is it that you're doing, Italian? Show us something that you are doing. Show us some elevation from you there with this dog shit. And I under the palm media say, oh, boyfriend and girlfriend. Under those me palm media suck out tongue and a kiss up and have police up all underneath me and the things them love. So it go.
What a friend I used to think.
So it go. Here's a batty blood clot man will love tech fuck. You're only there with she cause you think you're not gonna get a little clot. Italian, Shauna Chin dead, long blood clot time. Shauna Chin have no career. Shauna Chin have no career, Italian. She not have no career. She not have nothing to go on for her. Yes, you're going to mix cream till your blood clot because I think that's the only thing you can do. You understand?
Bling no easy at all, blood.
RT, I don't see I'm calling your phone. I need some more soap. I need some more soap, RT. The good soap where you sell, I need it.
Yeah, blood clot there. RT, them soap they need for sell out, man. One of them. Me bumbo rascal.
Hold on, hear this. She watch you on next phone on her live, but she go bring it to the law. Girl, one thing with this little girl.
Yeah.
One thing with this little girl.
This is the media guy too.
I ask you to do it. I ask you to bring it. Because you know what compare media. Yeah, what I want you to do. Record what she say. Record what she say for me, please. Me I go show you something, Shauna. Me is the wrong one. I swear, I'm the wrong one. You know what compare me that come class and style, girl. So bring it. And when girl run out phone, when I reach for blood clot authorities, I'm here. I'm ready. The last girl was say she go bring me, she go sue me. Me there wait for her because God up in every cheese. And last year over 100.
She not do nothing. Any girl will bring them media. Listen,
so
you
right
think
now,
Judge a idiot?
something.
You think Judge a idiot?
No, me need something right now. Who the fuck is you? Who is you? You can't come for girl every time when I want to come for blood clot, girl. One of uno. Rochelle, me still wait for the last suit.
Rochelle carry business come out a door. Oh, she feel know everybody and them other business that now.
Well, guess what? My Father God, Jesus, thank you for make me don't have nothing out there. Cause God know me woulda chew it out long time. When the problem is when I don't have no upon girl. Look upon you. Me the upon my life I have to sit down and watch blood clot me. Shauna, me watch you. Me watch you. Me care what you say. Cause I be like you over there tell. You don't know nothing about me. Anything you know what people make up and put on the media, you do not know anything about this bitch.
Somebody asked who is Shauna. Shauna is Gollibop lover. Who remember?
But you can't even say that because right now, Gollibop too good for that. You understand?
No man. Everybody knows Shauna Chin.
Bitch, I'm waiting. This I want to call fuckery. But me there for everything. This I one girl when afraid of your goodie. Me not afraid of you, so bring it. Hurry up and blood clot, bring it. Yeah, Italian go suck on no matter.
He dead now.
You have blood clot. You have any character?
Barbie.
Do you have any character? What do you have?
Get rice and pork.
What do you have? Who is you? Who is fucking you? You're drunk, crop. Then you want to come over blood clot. This come go on like say, you're somebody or you're weak girl. That's why I'm running all the time. I'm telling you now, leave me alone, you know.
Why people that drama, you know, are going still, you know? I don't think this are going, you know. Because me know say Shauna Chin them are going to set things back. And then Blinga them are back and forth. But when me hope it not do, I spill over in a physical altercation. Me no want to reach there, so keep it on the internet if you not cuss or no cuss. You see me? And at the end of the day, everybody are going to gain if them know if you market them thing. You see it? And that me I say. Once. This long still, you know, people. just get interrupt. But yo, this long, so me not feel like me I go play all right one time. Maybe when me do a next video, me play the rest. You see me? But me could go and watch some more, and then you know what I mean, me soon stop it, because even come on the live, Ivani come on the live. You see me I say. But the main thing them already Bling already talk about the main thing, like, you know what I mean, the RT bar situation and all of them other things. You know what I mean? So we just go watch some more, and then, you know what I mean, me I go in it. So just play it.
I'm trying to run from over here, so I don't want no friend from Uno. I don't want no friend
lick with a
from
big
Uno. Watch out.
Right now, no, I need something right now.
Where she's love. Watch there. Drunk crown.
I wish so good girl, a so cocky girl, I can never watch Shauna chin work. Big dog in the box. Where the blood clot, me never do over here so before mix up ever start thinking, well, girl. Where cheese love what? So good girl, me a prosecute for the bomber ass clad coat. And thinking about girl, call me name over there.
No,
you know, hear me say nothing about the blood clot woman, you know, more than anything when me say I would them bring to the media.
She tired of Italian now.
Girl.
Here I go.
Don't get me vice terrorist.
She tired of Italian now, and I go to our next patient. She don't know how to drop Italian. So I really don't know what happened. Me see the boy live in a car sit down. So I watch 2, 3, 4 off to see if it's real. Cause me tell me when I don't bring it to me because of prank. Shauna, let me tell you this. You're messy. You're fucking messy. And I want to tell you another thing. I'm waiting. Cause you know see girl come skin off them teeth and everything. Every day I feel like the girl I eat that. Girl me a wait. Bitch me a wait. So bring it. Bring it. Bring it. I don't talk, bitch. You need to go blood clot, Barry. You are the one that should. You know, Father God, please. I don't wish nothing on anyone.
I'll she bother me here, see I call all my name. Right now, I'm telling you this. I don't have time for little people, you know, anything, you know, look at me, a blood clot, look to hear me, friend. You stop draw me down, because when you don't hear me over here, Satan, but Shauna train more than somebody asks a mama bomber clot question, and me give them the answer. Somebody asks, who is Shauna Chin? I may say, Gully Bob, Shauna blood clot Chin. Is Gully Bob make me know Shauna? Shauna, you have a problem with me telling somebody say, it's Gully Bob Shauna Chin? I saw me know you. So already there with 100 different man, and who me know you fuss with, I go stick by your teeth like glue. No call me name over there, because you hear me now in the business, more than me and Blinga there talk like always. I will tear up in the pussy and stitch it up back.
As a mother,
nobody make me.
I feel it for Italian. As a mother. As a mother, I feel it for that little boy there. Because you just take that little boy their life. You just take that little boy their life. You understand? You fuck around cause Ttyman and can't reach nowhere.
Yeah.
Cause down. You see, anybody me go add to my life, you see, if you don't come say what me I say, you come down. Go on pan fear blood clot live. And we give your platform big pussy revolt done, girl. You're out of order. A long time you bomber clot pre-me. And a long time you want this. See, you know you get it. Now you talk about run. Girl, me can't wait. Me can't wait. So do what you do. Because me I don't know. No can't see me a Jamaica can do me nothing. No can't see me a New York can do me nothing. We all know that. The amount of threats and things wanna give me. No. So it don't make no sense. So do what I do.
I'm not hearing nothing.
Yeah, hear man.
Wait. Man, depend the life. Oh, you did a give 500 chicken Blinga. We hear it.
Me don't know who that. That's the person they look close.
Listen, just like how them over
Me
there
hear about it, Ray.
Me hear them, let me hear, because any girl over there can name.
Dirty, nasty, ugly blood clot. Him look like blood clot. Sit with sufferation and swell up no blood clot.
But him should have
Shauna blood clot.
Look
up a color of pussy blood clot. How them dirty blood
Blinga, may I come out and come back? Come in that area.
But him should have shame if he come and talk to me, so me I go give him 500 chicken, mighty God.
Them
Alright, my people, so me not go no further. Maybe in our next live, me go no some more of this. Maybe in our next video, me go no some more. You see me? Cause even Ivani come on the live. Ivani say she even give Italian some money to pay him hotel fee because either Shauna kick him out or him left, but him never have nowhere to stay. You see me? And Ivani send money go give him. Some other people send money go give him. And them I wonder if I trick the internet. You know what I mean? Because Ivani them I say boy them want back them money if I trick them trick the internet. You see me? A bag of things. But you are going with people. Tell me what you think about everything. You see me? Alright just so me I go end it. You see it.